This conference will now be recorded.
Hello guys, welcome to VC's IT Solutions. I am Shiv Krishna and I have 10 plus years of experience in the IT industry, specializing in the training and development across various technologies. This is my introduction. Let's start our topic. Today we are discussing about features of Python programming language. Features of Python programming language. Features of Python programming language. First feature is simple syntax. In Python, there is no concept of semicolons like as a C, C++, Java, every statement end with a semicolon, but in Python don't require semicolon. Python simply follow the space indentation concept. Python simply follow the space indentation concept. Now observing very clearly, I am comparing one example with C programming and Python programming. In C programming, I want to verify whether that particular user is eligible for voter registration or not. How to writing the C program? Hash include stdio.h header file we are including. Next one void main function we are writing function. Next name is a which type of data? Char type of data 30 characters. One variable I am declaring. Next one int age, two variables I am declaring. Printf enter your name, scanf. Okay, that value is a string type of value. That value we are storing into which variable? Name variable. Printf enter your age, enter your age. Age is a which type of data? Integer type of data, integer value representation percentage d. If condition, if age is greater than or equal to 18, I want to display one message printf. Congratulations, that name percentage yes, new line, which value? Name value I want to display. Printf, you are eligible for voter registration. Voter registration. Else block printf sorry percentage yes slash n name value simply printf you are not eligible for voter registration. Voter registration. This is the simple C language code. This is a simple C program. Now I am trying to executing this program. I am enter the name Shiva, age 23. This message is printed. Again I am trying to executing name Rama, age 12. This message is printed. Simply here, by mistake I am missing semicolon, our C program is not start the execution. Next one, at the time of writing the condition, compulsory brackets are required. Without any brackets, again we will get the syntax errors. This is a C, C++, Java programming syntaxes. Python simply follow the space indentation concept. Same program I am trying to implement it in Python. Take the name and the age, name equal to input of. In C programming we are using scanf. Here we are using input function. Enter your name. Next age, I want to take the integer int of input of. Enter your age. Enter your age. Simply if age greater than or equal to 18, printf. In C programming we are using printf. Here we are using print function. Congratulations. That name percentile yes. Here percentile of name. Print you are eligible for voter registration. Voter registration. Else block. Print sorry percentile yes. Percentile of name. Print you are not eligible for voter registration. Voter registration. This is the simple Python code I am trying to execute in Shiva. Okay. By mistake I am using semicolon. Don't give any error messages. Our Python program successfully executed. For suppose I am writing this condition within the brackets, our program successfully executed. For suppose by mistakenly here the statement starting from here, then immediately we'll get the error message because Python follow the space indentation concept. Space indentation means in our block, the first statement where we are starting, remaining all the statements should follow the same position. Or this statement starting from here, again we will get the syntax error. Okay, indentation error. Python always follow the space indentation. That means in our block, the first statement where we are starting, remaining all the statements should follow the same space. Okay, this is a space indentation concept. Python always follow the space indentation concept. Second one is less code. Python programs having less code. Python programs having less code when compared to other programming languages programs code like C, C++, Java. For example, in C programming, I want to print hello world. How to writing the C language code? Simply hash include stdio.h void main function printf hello world. This is the simple C program just to print hello world. Same code I am trying to implement it in Java. This is a Java environment. Simply import java.io.star class. Class name is test class. Public static void main string array arguments system.out.println hello world. This is a simple Java program. Just hello world printed. In Python programming, observing very clearly, simply print hello world. Print hello world. Now hello world message printed. This is a Python code, single statement. This is a Java programming code, and this is a C language code. When compared to other programming languages, Python having less code. Next one, Python is a dynamically typed language. Okay, in Python at the time of declaring the variables, don't require to specify the data types. But C++, Java, at the time of declaring the variables, we need to declare the data types. For example, I want to performing the addition of two numbers in C programming. How to write the logic? Int x equal to one integer value. Second value, I want to take the floating point value, float 2.3, and I want to performing the addition operation, float z equal to x plus y. Simply printf that floating point value representation percentage f, which value we want to display. I want to display the z value. This is the simple C language code. C is a static type of programming. At the time of declaring the variable, we need to specify the data types. But coming to Python, Python is a dynamically typed language. In Python, at the time of declaring the variables, don't require to specify the data type. Simply x equal to 10, y equal to 2.3, z equal to x plus y, print z. Our program is executed. This is a dynamically typed language. By mistakenly in Python, we are trying to assign the data type, then immediately we will get the error message. Python is a dynamically typed language. Python is a dynamically typed programming language. Next one, easy to read, readability. Okay, anybody easily reading the Python statements? Easy to read, easy to learn. Okay, anybody to learn Python programming language is very easy. It is similar to like as a English statements. Anybody coming from any background, either IT or non-IT background, okay, we are learning Python programming language is very easy to learn, easy to use. Okay, by using Python we can developing any applications is very easy to use. Next one, easy to maintain, easy to maintain. Okay, we can maintain the Python applications is very easy. That means, for example, if you are developing any one application by using Python programming, we can maintain that application with the freshers also. That is a maintenance is very easy Python applications. Next one, portable or cross platform. That means it support on any environments. On top of any environment, we are installing Python software. That means on top of Windows, we are installing Python software. On top of Linux or Mac OS, either Android or iOS, on top of any OS, we are installing Python software. That is a portable. Next one, scalable. Okay, scalability means easily we can add new features into Python. Easily we can add new features into Python programming. Scalability. Next one, security. Security. Python providing security to the our applications because Python supporting OOPS principles. Any programming language which support OOPS principles, in that programming language we will get some benefits like as a flexibility, reusability, and security. The major benefit of OOPS programming, we can achieve the security. Python also providing the security. Next one, flexible. Python is a user flexible. User flexible means, for example, we can write any C programming. We are follow the procedure oriented fashion. If you want to write any Java program, we are follow the OOPS principles. But in Python, we can follow both procedure oriented and object oriented. For example, I want to print hello world. This is a simply procedure oriented fashion. Hello world message is printed. Same program I am trying to implement it by using object oriented fashion. We need to declare the class. By using class, we can developing one application. That is a user flexibility. Next one, extendable. We are extending with other programming languages. We are extending with other programming language. Python with C programming, that is called C Python. Python with Java, that is called Jython. Python with .NET, that is called Iron Python. Next one, we are adding the JIT compiler to the C Python for faster execution, that is called PyPy. Stackless Python, stackless Python. Okay, these are the next one, Rust Python, embedded Python, different. Okay, extendable. We are extending with other programming languages. We are extending with other programming languages. Extendability. Next one, versatile. Versatile. That means by using Python, we can develop any type of applications. Versatile programming language, and Python is a robustness. In programming scenario, robustness means to handling the runtime errors. To handling the runtime errors. Okay, in Python, also supporting exception handling concept. Okay, runtime errors technically we are calling as exceptions. Okay, Python supporting exception handling concept. That's why simply we are calling as a robustness. Next one, platform independent. Platform independent. That means write once, run anywhere. We can develop any one Python application in our Android phone. Same application without any changes. We can executing on Mac environment. We can executing on Windows environment. We can executing on iOS also possible. That is a platform independent. Platform independent. Python is a strongly typed language. Python is a strongly typed language. Observing very clearly, Python is a dynamically typed language. The dynamically typed languages can be categorized into two types, like as a strongly typed and a weakly typed. Python is a strongly typed, but JavaScript is a weakly typed. Observing very clearly, in JavaScript, I want to performing some operations. For suppose I want to performing the addition of two numerical values. Console.log 4 plus 5, now addition 9 is printed. 4 plus 5.3, now 9.3 is printed. Instead of 4, here I am using text 4, not integer, text. Automatically this integer is also converting into text. Now it is performing concatenation. But coming to Python, print of 4 plus 5, 9, both are numerical integers. Both are numerical type. One is a integer, second one is a float. But both are different types. One is a text format data, second one is a numerical data. Then immediately we will get the error message. This is a strongly typed language. If you interest, we can convert by explicitly. For example, this numerical value also converting into string by explicitly. Now concatenation is performing. Or we can convert this text format data into integer format by explicitly. This is a strongly typed programming language. Okay, Python is a strongly typed programming language, and Python is a interpreted language. Python supporting interpreter. Python is a garbage collected language. Python is a garbage collected language. Python supporting garbage collector. Python is completely free and open source project. Free and open source. Free means without paying any single paisa. We are downloading Python software, using that software either personal or professional, either commercial purpose also. Open source means anybody can contribute to our Python organization with respect to donations, like as a amount or source code also. Next one, Python provides n number of built-in libraries. In Python scenario, a library is nothing but a collection of packages. Okay, in Python scenario, a package is nothing but a collection of modules. Observing very clearly, I want to print one particular system date. Simply import time print of time dot ctime function we are calling. Okay, now it return some time. Okay, depends upon here GMT format is printed. In my system, simply I am open the Python. From time import ctime, I am calling ctime function. Okay, for suppose I want to print date, from date time import date, simply print of date dot today. Now current date is printed. I want to print both the date and the time, simply date time dot now. I want to print one particular year calendar, from calendar import calendar print of calendar of which year calendar we want to print. Now that calendar is printed. For suppose I want to print 2024, simply 2024 we are passing. Today is October 24, Thursday. For suppose I want to print one particular month calendar, simply we are using month function. In Python, everything libraries are available, just we are importing, depends upon our requirement. This month function takes two parameter, one is a year and second one is a month number. Now that month calendar is printed. Okay, Python provides n number of built-in libraries. Okay, next one, it support all types of database connections. By using Python, we can connect both SQL databases and NoSQL databases. Okay, SQL databases means like as a SQL databases, MySQL, Oracle, a Microsoft SQL Server, PostgreSQL, SQLite, and a NoSQL means not only SQL databases. These databases are used to store both semi-structured data and unstructured data. Best example MongoDB, Cassandra, DynamoDB, Neo4j, different databases are available. Python support both SQL databases and NoSQL database connections. Okay, these are the features of Python. If anybody any doubt, please clarify your doubts. If anybody any doubt, please clarify your doubts. These are the features of Python. Okay, all of you clear? Okay, if any doubt, please contact our team. Okay, if you want to get any more updates, please subscribe my channel. Okay, these are the features of Python programming language.